The PIO core teaches students about culture, not only specific traits of other cultures and how to interact across cultures, but also we want students to recognize their own culture. A lot of students think, I don't have a culture, and that's not true. And we want students to recognize their own culture and also to recognize the fact that the ways in which we act and react and see the world, those are all culturally dependent. And so the PIO core helps us to teach students that. And the CCE experience is unique in the fact that after students take multiple cultural courses at Carroll, they can put some of those concepts and terms and theories into practice when they go away or abroad and interact with other cultures.